Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple egg and mayo sandwich for breakfast. You guys, this recipe is one that you do not want to miss. It is easy, it is simple and very filling. And if you're someone that likes quick breakfast on the go, this is definitely what you need. Okay, so click that subscribe button and be a part of the family while we get straight into this recipe. For this recipe, you're going to be needing white bread slices. Of course, you can use wheat bread if that is what you like, but personally, I'm going to be using white bread. You can toast this if you want, or you can use them as fresh as you want as they come. I'm personally not going to be toasting them because I just want my bread really soft. And then, of course, you're going to be using some hard-boiled eggs. Just boil them in hot water and, of course, place them in cold water so that they can cool down. That we're going to be also adding some mayonnaise, some tomato ketchup, and also I'm going to be using some salt and some ground peppers. Feel free to leave the pepper out if you don't want the heat, but I needed a little bit of heat for my sandwiches, so I added them. So the first thing that you would want to do would be to peel your eggs and take off the shells, and I'm just going to do that right now outside the camera and be back. So now that I have peeled my eggs and they're looking nice, I'm just going to add them into a bigger bowl, and then using a fork I am going to mash through till they sort of crumble. If you're still watching at this point and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly click the subscribe button so you'll be part of my channel. Also hit the notification bell so you always get notified when I post my videos and you never miss a recipe video or a vlog. So using a fork, I'm just going to mash through my eggs till it is a bit crumbled. And to this, I'm going to be adding mayonnaise and ketchup, about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of ketchup into the egg mix. I'm also going to add in the salt and the ground pepper. Like I said, the pepper is completely optional, but you cannot opt out the salt. Feel free to slice in some green onions into this if you fancy that, but I just wanted it plain, and sometimes there's beauty in simplicity. This particular sandwich just embodies that statement because it is simple yet so delicious, trust me. So we're just going to mash in together to mix in the salt and the pepper before we add in the mayonnaise and the ketchup. For the list of ingredients and their measurement, feel free to check the description box where I'm going to leave them. So right now, after adding my ketchup, I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. If you want more mayonnaise in your sandwich, feel free to add more, but this is just exactly how I wanted mine and it came out perfect. So now we're just going to mix till everything is well incorporated and looks nice. As you can see, everything is mixed up and it is looking nice, and what we're going to do is we're going to spread this on our bread. You guys, this recipe is yummy. This is yumminess personified, and the beauty about this sandwich is you can actually make it ahead of time, keep it in the fridge to cool, and the next day just pack it up in your lunch box or in a Ziploc bag and you're ready to go to the office. So you just spread it on your bread and then you cut into a sandwich, and there you go. That's how easy it is to make this sandwich. Spread it over your bread like you would spread butter or a regular bread spread, and that's it, guys. Easy, delicious, simple. This sandwich is really perfect both for adults and for children, and you can make this in your kiddies' lunchbox and pack it for them for school and also for yourself for work, or even just as a midday snack. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, kindly leave me your likes, your comments in the comment section. Also give this video a thumbs up so more people get to watch and see it, as well as subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed. Okay, I had my sandwich with a cup of hot chocolate, which is so nice and so delicious. Feel free to have yours with some tea, some coffee, or even a juice. Whatever drink that you prefer, this sandwich will go perfectly with it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.